Hello, everyone watching HH Beauty Garden Channel, a place to share scientific knowledge and practical experience in flower cultivation and breeding. In today's video, I'll show you how to propagate roses using natural biological methods. First, we need to choose a healthy rose branch, free of pests and diseases, and cut a piece of stem about 10 centimeters long. This is the ideal length to ensure the meristem is capable of forming new roots. This method can be applied to most types of roses. Garlic application. Take 1 clove of garlic and rub it on the cut end of the rose stem. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with powerful antibacterial properties. This helps prevent infection and increases the chance of scar tissue regeneration at the incision site. Carrot and lemon solution preparation. Take half a carrot, remove the core, and chop it. Carrots are not only nutritious food, but also help provide nutrients for rose branches. To develop roots, take 1 lemon, squeeze the juice, and add it to the prepared carrot. Add about 200 milliliters of filtered water and stir well. Carrots and lemons create a solution that promotes root growth, disinfects and protects branches, while providing the necessary nutrients for the healthy growth of rose plants. Soaking. And solution resting soak the rose stems in this mixture for about 10 minutes. The purpose is to provide a primary source of nutrients and a slightly acidic pH environment that is favorable for root growth. Chop 3 more cloves of garlic. Let the mixture rest for about 5 minutes to extract maximum bioactive components from the garlic. Use a piece of cardboard as a stand for the solution cup. Final steps and results after soaking: filter out the carrot residue, keeping only the solution. Place the rose stems in the prepared solution. Cover the cup with a plastic bag and secure it with tape to maintain optimal humidity, creating a semi-closed environment like a miniature greenhouse. Finally, place the cup in a cool place away from direct sunlight. After just 3 days, you'll see young roots have grown strongly in the water. This is a clear signal that the root cell division process has been successfully activated. Conclusion: propagating roses by natural biological methods is not only highly effective, but also safe and environmentally friendly. This is a useful solution for both professional growers and home gardening enthusiasts. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you find the content useful, please subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and leave comments so that we can continue to develop more in-depth content in applied botany. See you in the next videos.